Hello everyone, my name is Sunny and this is my teammate Sai. We are here today to walk you through an CRC card analysis for our course evaluation and feedback system project.
Today we'll be analyzing one specific user story using CRC cards to identify the classes, their responsibilities and how they collaborate with each other.
So here's our user story. As a student, I want to see the summary of my responses that I have submitted just now so that I can be sure that my responses were taken correctly by the system.
This user story is all about providing immediate feedback confirmation to students after they submit their course evaluation. The students needs to verify that their answers were recorded properly before they leave the system.
So here is the card number 1. The student class is responsible for logging into the system, requesting to see their response summary and viewing the confirmation page. This class collaborates with evaluation controller to handle the submission and response summary to display the data. This is the card 2.
This is the main part. It receives the submission request from student, validates that they are eligible to submit, meaning they are actually enrolled in the course. Then it saves the responses, generates that thank you, your response has been recorded successfully message and retrieves the data to show the summary.
This class collaborates with several other classes like course enrollment to check the student eligibility, evaluation response to save the response, audit log for tracking every action, and response summary to format the display or to summarize the display. And this is card number 3. This class handles the actual storage of the evaluation response. It stores all the submission data with timestamps, and once the submission is done, it will mark the evaluation as complete and locks it so that the student cannot edit it later.
It works with item response to store individual answers to each question, and obviously it needs to talk to the database to store everything.
This is the card 4.
This class is responsible for presenting the summary page to the students. It displays all the response data nicely, shows each question with the answer the student provided, displays when they submit it, and provides the download or email option.
This class allows only read-only mode. That means that student can only view but cannot make any changes to the form. It gets the data from evaluation response and from item response. And this is the card number 5. Audit log is all about security and transparency. Every time an user makes some important action, like a student submitting their evaluation, this class records it and logs the timestamp and the action what they perform.
The student logs in and fills out evaluation form. They click submit. The evaluation controller receives the submission. It first checks with course enrollment. Is the student actually enrolled in this course? Can they submit? The controller tells evaluation response to save the data. Evaluation response marks it complete, locks it and stores everything along with the item response records for each question's answered.
At the same time, the audit log records the submission event with the timestamps. Then the student sees the overall summary page showing all the responses, the submission time, and a short message saying that thank you, your response has been recorded successfully. Then a small option for them to download or email the responses if they want to. Yep. Thank you so much.
Thank you.